Hi guys! 11:80 na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family, and friends, po pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and date selection consultant. So, kumusta po ang inyong Saturday? And now, unofficially, we're already in the day. Sunday na po, Sunday. And of course, Happy Mother's Day po sa bawat isa pong mothers out there. More blessing po to each and everyone po. So, batiin po natin ang ating pong mga other halves, kamag-anak po. Happy Mother's Day. And of course, to my fraternity brother, Kuya Ariel, happy birthday. May apology, hindi ako nakapunta sa celebration. No? Bawi next time. More blessings to you, Kuya Ariel. God bless. God bless you more. And sa mga nag-donate po sa baby po ng aking brother, thank you so much po. I know whatever you have given will be multiplied 1,000 times po. God will reward you. Thank you so much po. Okay, so tingnan natin Sunday. I know it's a Mother's Day. Lahat po tayo may plans of what to do tomorrow. So let's check. Tomorrow is, or Sunday, May 12 is considered as the fire rat enters the danger auspicious day. Oh, danger. What? Let us see. Ano pwedeng gawin sa fire rat day? Okay, now, let's see. Just to be sure everything is... Hi to Senior Warden Noble Joseph, sir. Hi, Kuyang. Good evening sa'yo. Hi. Happy Mother's Day kay Ateng. Okay. Okidoki. Ano pwede? Oh, yun dami pwede. Marriage proceedings. Setting up the altar. Setting up the bed. Seek blessings. Make a donation. Traveling. Celebration. Start business. Meeting friends, renovation, moving house, groundbreaking, keeping a pet, and purchases. Ano pong hindi pwede? Utility services, buying a new car, and visit a beautician not recommended for tomorrow. But just in case, ikaw yung papagawa po na sa yung bahay related to utilities, bibili ka ng second-hand na car, or you'll visit a beautician, you know better. We do the daily Chimen. But before that, let us see the animal signs. Rat and ox, very good. Tiger is not so good. Rabbit is average. Dragon is very good. Snake is average. Horse and goat, not so good. Rooster, very good. Monkey, very good. Rooster, average. Dog, not so good. And pig is average. O yun. Okay. 10x. 10x natin. Kuya Joseph. Let's see. Okay. What shall we do? Ito po. Ano natin? May 12. Okay. May 12. If you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, you're a content maker, you're a vlogger, influencer, you want to influence po, no? You want to make sure that whatever you post in the online will do good. Talikod sa Southeast. Game changer with the whole day Green Dragon. O yan na, Green Dragon return. So, an absolute support. Wow, talikod sa Southwest. If you want to create opportunities, talikod sa West. Health is wealth, talikod sa Northwest. Hi to Kuyang Wilbert. Kuyang, Nobs, hinahanap kita kagabi sa aming lodge. Si Kuya Worshipful Master Jexter, the Brethren of San Pedro was there. I asked for you, Kuyang Wilbert. See you soon in our lodge. And kami rin, dadalaw sa inyo. Worship Kuyang Noble Wilbert, sir. See you po, Kuyang Wilbert. Nobs, see you. Okay, for negotiations, heart-to-heart talk, want to make amends, anything to do with finances, money-related, talikod sa North. And eto po, kung merong Green Dragon na whole day, may flying bird din pong whole day. Ito naman po yung nakatalikod sa Northeast. So, Green Dragon, talikod sa Southwest with the Game Changer. And Flying Bird fall into cave, nakatalikod naman po sa Northeast. Again, tayo po, practice again, practice. Ulit po tayo hanggat hindi po natin na ma-master po. We will do it every night tuwing pong may live tayo. Yung pong paano po magmamanifest. Ayan, okay. Let's do it. Again, ito na. Ito ulit. So, yung una po, lagi po yun So, okay, simulan natin. Kuyang Wilbert Nobs, Kuyang Joseph, Senior Warden Noble Sir, tingnan natin. So, for in general application, we address it universe. But in your faith, you address it directly po to the name of the faith you are in, ha? Yun po ang usapan. Will it be Jesus, El Shaddai, Gautu, anything po, to your faith. So here, I'll just use universe. Universe, I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize vision and speech by always attracting noble allies, forever lucky, generously aiding all, crafting robust lifelines and livelihood for all. So yun po yung pang game changer. How about for the flying bird fall into cave? Ayan. So sabi, normal pang Green Dragon yan eh. Yes, it's for the game changer box. How about for the flying bird? O, tingnan na natin. Okay. So sa flying bird po naman, ganun din po So ito po ulit. Universe, I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for all my blessings and I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize. Ito na po. Anong imamagnetize mo? New opportunities. So, may pagkakaiba na. New opportunities. By always attracting. So, you're asking for new opportunities by always attracting power of keen observation, creating valuable insights, and healing abilities that benefits others profoundly. So, yan po Yung una po for the Green Dragon and Game Changer, ito po for the Flying Bird Fall into Cave po na box which is located po or backing to northeast. So, mapapansin nyo po, brethren, family, and friends, we let go of the past, we let go of whatever's holding us back, or those who does not benefit us anymore. We open up for new opportunities. We become thankful. We attract and we ask for what we want and we give it back to society or being a blessing to others. Yan. Wow. Okay. Okay, for a Sunday, meron ba tayo nung Green Dragon Returns na hourly, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden Watching the Door? Oh, let us see. Tingnan po natin. Yan. Kasi alam nyo po, maraming nagre-request po nun eh. Tingnan natin. Sa isang May 12. Okay. As early as 12 a.m., mamaya po, hi! Kuyang Danfred Noble, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Architect Nobs Danfred. Thanks for watching. Long time no see. Okay. Kumusta ang negosyo? Kuyang, see you again. Bilis. In a few months from now, we will see each other again. Ganun pong kabilis na po. Magha-halfway tayo sa June. Okay. Nobs, mga Noble, sir. Ito po. 12 a.m. to 12:59 a.m. back to Southeast. Jade Maiden Watching the Door. Sa 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m., Green Dragon returns with the Game Changer or the Chief Deity. Talikod ulit sa Southwest to. That is 7 a.m. to 8:59. And West backing naman po for the Flying Bird Fall into Cave. Another Green Dragon returns. Pareho po lagi. Parehong both are Southwest. From 1 p.m. to 4:59 p.m. Uy, Green Dragon returns. So, pareho pong back sa Southwest. Whole day na nga po. Southwest ang Game Changer and yung pong Green Dragon return. So, kung I were you, Southwest backing na po. Ngayon pa lang, after this, magsa Southwest backing na ako and I will... So, pwede pong Tagalogin, anything po, yun lang po yung pattern natin na ikaw ay nag-let go, ikaw ay nag-open up, ikaw ay, what I call that, ikaw ay nagpasalamat, ikaw ay ano bang nais mo at ikaw ay tutulong or you give it back. Yes, yan, okay. Okay na po yun. Double sir. Basta po, kahit po replay. Ayan. Okay. Yes, Noble, Danfred Architect. Yes, po natin yan. Okay. So, yun po ay yung ating mga hourly achievement and, opo. Siya nga po pala, may question. Ano po ba yung official move-in date sa bahay? Kasi may bago kang bahay or may bago kang rerenta. The official move-in date is You compute a day and a time kung saan po magpapasok ka po ng 5 mga swerteng bagay. Pag pinasok ko po sa umaga po yung 5 swerteng bagay, kinagabihan po, the same day, matutulog ka po doon, that's the official move-in date po. Pag nagdala ka po doon ng items, pero hindi ka po natulog, hindi po yung official. So, isa pong complete cycle po yon, yung mga move-in dates po. Or moving into a new office po. Minsan man, nag-move in ka doon, you bring in, again, the 5 auspicious items, and then you sign a check, you operate po related to the business. That's the official start of the business. Okie-dokie. So, BFF, again, Happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much po sa lahat po ng sumusubaybay. BFF, maraming pong salamat. Let us continuously pray for each other po. Let us heal as one. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. And with a grateful heart, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. God bless. Good night. And see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.